Is your Epson printer showing error codes 00031, E01, OXF1, or 00041? Don't worry. These are common issues and are usually easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to resolve them. Now, if you're getting error codes 00031, E01, or 0xF1, the first three methods will help you fix them. But if you're getting the error 00041, you can jump straight to the section using the timestamp in the description. However, if you still need one-on-one support, call the numbers on your screen. Otherwise, just follow me along and let's fix this.
Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Part 1. Fixing error codes 00031, E01, or 0xF1. Method 1. Check for paper jams. Open the front cover of your printer and lift up the scanner unit to look inside for jam paper. If you find any stuck paper, slowly and gently pull it straight out without tearing it. Close the scanner unit and front cover back into place. Now go back to the back of your printer and gently remove any jam paper from the rear paper cassette as well. Make sure the paper is feeding smoothly and there are no torn pieces left inside the printer. If removing the jam paper fixed your error, awesome, you're done. But if the error persists, let's try updating your printer driver. Method 2. Update printer driver. Open your web browser and go to the Epson's official support website. Look for the section that says Search by product name or serial number and scroll down to find it. Type in your printer's name or serial number, click Search and select your model from the results. You'll be taken to your printer's support page. Now, pick your operating system from the drop-down menu and click Go. Open the Downloads tab and find the driver section. Look for the latest driver version available and click for the download button. Once the download finishes, open the download file. Confirmation box will pop up asking for permission. Click Allow to proceed. A welcome window will appear. Go ahead and click Continue. Read through the license agreement and click Continue again. If you see a screen asking you to agree to the terms and conditions, just click Agree. When the Destination Select screen appears, choose where you want to install it. Then click Continue. Go to the Installation Type tab and click Install to start installation process. A pop-up might ask for computer's password. Go ahead and type it in. Enter your password again and click Install software to continue. The installer will now prepare everything and automatically install the drivers for you. Just wait a while, does its thing. Once it's installing, click Close. Your Epson printer driver is now updated and installed. If updating the driver didn't fix the error, the last thing we can try is doing a complete factory reset of your printer. This wipes all the custom settings and brings everything back to default. Method 3. Factory Reset Printer. Go to your printer's display screen and open Settings. Scroll down through the menu and find Restore Default Settings and select it. Find and click Clear All Data and Settings to remove everything. A confirmation page will appear asking if you're sure. Click Yes to confirm. Once you get the completed message, restart your printer and the error should be gone. Alright, so if one of those methods worked for you, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. In the first part, we'll be fixing the error 00041, so stick around and follow me along. Part 2, Fixing Error 00041. Method 1, Reinstall the ink cartridges. Make sure your Epson printer is turned on and ready. Open the document cover of your top of your printer. Now press and hold the stop button for about 10 seconds. Don't let go until the time is up. Wait a moment while your ink holder moves to the replacement position. This should take only a few seconds. Once the ink holder is in the right spot, take out all the ink cartridges one by one. Now, insert all the cartridges back in one at a time, making sure each one clicks into place properly. If reinstalling the cartridges didn't fix error 00041, your cartridges or printhead probably needs cleaning, as dried ink might be blocking things. Method 2. Clean the printhead and ink cartridges. Run a copy command to your printer to start the printing process. Then unplug the power cord during printing. Lift the top cover of your printer to access the cartridges inside. Gently remove all the ink cartridges from their slots one at a time. Use a screwdriver to gently pry open the printhead's top cover from both the left and right sides. Be careful not to damage the tape on the chip. Open all the screws holding the printhead in place. Carefully take out the printhead. Don't pull out any cables or damage the tape attached to it. Gently unplug the cable connected to the chip. Gather some supplies, a lint-free cloth, a small plastic box, isopropyl alcohol, and some warm water. Mix equal parts isopropyl alcohol and warm water in the plastic box, enough to complete soak the printhead. Place the printhead in the alcohol and water solution and let it soak for about 2 minutes. Take the printhead out and rub it onto the lint-free cloth until it completely dry. Now, soak the ink cartridges in the same solution for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the cartridges and rub them from top to bottom on the lint-free cloth until they are completely dry. Make sure the cartridges are releasing ink smoothly with no gaps or breaks in the line. Everything looks good. Reassemble everything and your printer should be fixed.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.